Hi, this is Jessie Neese from the Tech Teach Grow team, here with another tech tip of the week.
All right, so today we're going to get into some shortcuts within Google Drive. So, however you navigate to Google Drive, I'm going to ask you to get there. You can again use your waffle to navigate to Google Drive. You can use your shortcuts and just type in drive.google.com. Once you're in Google Drive, I want to show you a couple new shortcuts. So, some shortcuts let's get into. I'm going to go into a specific folder here with some items that I have to share. So I can take any of these items that I have here. Once I click on them and they're highlighted in blue, I have access to some shortcuts. First shortcut I want to share with you is P for preview. So if you type P on your keyboard, there you can preview the document before you even open it, and then toggle in preview mode between many of the items in your drive. Second thing you can do is you can hit S for star and move that file to your starred folder here, and all of those items will show up there. If I hit S again, it'll remove it from star. Another shortcut is N for rename. If I click the letter N on my keyboard, I can then rename this document and have this be Newsela November calendar. I've renamed that document. It's going to drop down there in alphabetical order. Once I find it again, I can now move that file by hitting the letter Z. And the letter Z is going to allow me to move that file anywhere else within my Google Drive. So I can just share it right here in my drive, and now it's moved here. Another thing I can do is a shortcut that I wanted to share with you is I can take a few of these items, and if I select all of them by holding down the shift key and then tapping on each of them, if I hit the period allows me to share and change permissions with multiple files. Period works on an individual file, but you can also take a multitude of files that you have access to and change the sharing permissions here. So I can say general access, mixed audiences, select it for all the ones, for mixed roles, what are they doing? But I can also change them individually here and say this one, instead of being restricted, I want it to be anyone with the link. And this one, anyone with the link. This one, I actually want to change that permission to anyone with the link is now a commenter or an editor. But you can do that with a lot of different files instead of having to access those sharing permissions individually. I hope that helps, and that is an encouragement to you to speed up your navigation within Google Drive.